Hi everyone, I am here today to talk about a very important exam called XAT. There are a lot of questions which come to our heads when we think about this particular exam. Is that more difficult than CAT? How do I go about attempting the DM section? Is it only accepted by XLI Jamshedpur? All these bubbles, I am here to burst them out. When I talk about XAT, it is a very interesting exam to say the least. The exam is divided into two parts, section 1 and section 2. Section 1 is going to be 165 minutes long, wherein you will have sections such as verbal ability and logical ability, decision making and quantitative ability. In section 2, you are going to talk about GK and there will be one single question of essay writing. Let's talk about section 1 first. What should be the strategy? How to sit for 165 minutes and maximize our score? The most important part here is that there is no sectional time limit. You can allot as much time as you want to any of the three sections that we just talked about. I can play on my strengths. You can play on your strengths. The questions will be 26 in verbal and logical ability, 21 in decision making, and 28 when we are talking about quantitative ability. When you talk about GK, there will be 25 questions. Talking about a good strategy for section 1, the basic thing that you need to get done is cover a minimum cutoff. In every exam, there will be three types of questions: the easy ones, the medium ones, and the difficult ones. Your job is to find those easy questions and attempt all of them first. So my personal strategy and what we recommend to the students is give around half an hour to each section. Try and find those easy questions, 5 to 6 easy questions, attempt them and get them correct. That will take away a load from your head. After that, you focus on your own strengths. Allocate time as per your strengths. I personally would allocate more time to quantitative ability because I can maximize my score through that section. And I'll also try and use as much time as I am having in verbal ability to try and solve as many RCs and other verbal questions which I am good at. You can decide for yourself, and that is what you need to practice in the next 3 days. When we talk about section 2, you'll have GK and essay writing. GK is a very simple section, to be very precise, because either you know the answer or you don't. There are 25 questions and 25 minutes for the entire section including the essay. I would recommend you to try and complete the GK section in 5 minutes. What do? You read the question, either you know the answer, you mark the answer and you move on, or you leave the question and you move on. Complete those 25 questions in 5 minutes and then focus on essays. Now, addressing the big question in the room, essays. How do we go about writing essays? Because I remember writing the last essay in standard 7th. That was way back. What should be the structure of an essay? How exactly do you go and write an essay? The essay question should roughly be allotted 20 minutes. The first couple of minutes or the first 5 minutes can be allocated to thinking about the topic and noting down the pros and cons of the entire topic. Also, while you're doing this, think about what your perspective or your solution to the given problem is. After you jotted down all the points, start typing out your answers because typing will take time. We are not very used to typing things out. So I would recommend that you also practice typing out essays in the next 3 days. When you start typing it out, try and make minimal errors so that you don't have to go around and read the entire thing again. A couple of errors is fine, that is what they understand. Apart from that, this time allocation will ensure that you give maximum that out of whatever you have for scoring the highest that you can. All the best for that. Thank you.